Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to compare the Adobe Rush video exporting rendering comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus the Realme X1 Max 2S. So it is the Adobe Premium Rush which I'm trying to use right now in this kind of demonstration. Let's see which phone will be able to export the same video faster. That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones. As you can see friends, I did not use any kind of editing, nothing at all. Just I'm trying to share this video. So right now both phones are with the same kind of estimated file size. As you can see, 209 MB. This is a Poco F3 GT and this is a Realme X1 Max. So both phones are having the 8GB RAM variants and Dimensity 1200 chipset only. Let's see which phone will be able to export this kind of video rendering faster in this Adobe Rush. So let's start at same time without wasting any time. So 1, 2, 3. So I did do the export before itself in the Realme X1 Max. That is the reason it's asking for export again. Let me try to start to press at same time. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So both phones started at same time. As you can see friends clearly, both phones at same time they are started. Let me try to slightly zoom in. So let's see which phone will be having the slightly advantage in terms of the video rendering speed test. So if this is the case, I'll try to use the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max and then I'll try to test it again. Let's see what happens with the high performance mode. So with the normal mode, so without using any kind of nothing, no enhancement, nothing, these are the default results we are getting right now. You can clearly see the Poco F3 GT has got slight advantage. So in terms of the rendering speed, you can see how faster it is, Poco F3 GT. You can clearly see the difference right now. Without adding any kind of enhancement, nothing at all. And the speeds are kind of 68, 69, 70% and 50% in this Realme X1 Max. You can see the difference how it is. So close to 25% the difference is there between both phones. And few of the users they did ask me this kind of question, can you please compare with this kind of both phones? And even recently the Realme X1 Max also got an update. So this will be a really good interesting thing to compare side by side. And with using high performance mode, this might increase a little bit kind of speed, I think so, in the Realme X1 Max. That is what I'm expecting. Right now the Poco F3 GT finished the rendering faster, as you can see clearly. Same video and rendering finished faster in the Poco F3 GT. You did see the difference. There's a close to 30% difference is there, and the Realme X1 Max still it's taking some time to render, as you can see. Now let's stop this and let me try to test it with a high performance mode turned on. Let's go to the battery, and here's a battery and mode performance mode. So high performance mode is turned on, as you can see. Let me try to clear that background. I'm going to start again this application. So let's see this time using the high performance mode whether this can actually reflect any kind of speed or not. That's the main point of me doing. So this time same size is estimated size of same 209 MB only. So this is going to be really very interesting results to see compare between both phones. 1, 2, 3. Yes, at same time I did click in both phones. Now you'll be able to see the difference how it is. As you can see, the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max slightly it got boosted the rendering speed. You can clearly see here. So definitely friends, the high performance mode is not a gimmick in the Realme X1 Max and not in the OnePlus Nord 2. It definitely increases the performance and boosts the processing speeds as well. As you can see, not only in the gaming, even you can use that high performance mode even for this kind of applications. That's the reason I thought of doing this kind of video, just to let you know what is happening with this kind of rendering speeds. As you can clearly see in the live proof, you got the demonstration slightly faster in the Realme X1 Max. So before it used to be close to 30%, 20 to 30% difference. Now it's not much different. It's only close to 5 to 10% difference. And Realme X1 Max is in the lead. Same file, same type everything and different results. As you can see friends clearly, that's the thing about the high performance mode. You should definitely, in case if you're doing this kind of exporting and video rendering, you can try to use this kind of high performance mode to get some kind of better results. That is what I would definitely suggest you to do. Right now you can see the Realme X1 Max is rendering faster. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick information which I'm just giving you. So in case if you're planning to use any kind of rendering option in the Realme X1 Max, try to use with a high performance mode. You'll get better results right now. It's finished and there is a difference of 10% difference. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and see in the next video friends. I'll illustrate for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.